In this chapter we are going to move primitives from particles. So in this chapter we'll create 3 different small setups that I will connect together later. The first one is the exact same setup that I've used on the disintegration effect 1 inside the moving grid primitive chapter. You can check it, it's free now, so let's do it. Okay, so let's create a grid, and I want to split each polygons, so I will use a facet for that with the unit points. So if I check the exploded view, I will get something like this, okay? And then I will use an attribute wrangle to add some points over the primitive. So with the primitive, I want to add new points equal add points like this, and 0 at p. Because we are iterating over the primitive, is going to take the primitive center. So this is what we want, and I want to remove the primitive. So 0 at premium and the point as well. Okay, so as you can see, it's a different way that I've used on the disintegration effect 1, because Jérôme Ledroll gave me this tip to make it faster. So thank you, Jérôme. So now we need just to connect with an attribute VOP like this, up, U and U, not like this. And I want to subtract the position from the, not U, import the point attribute from the second, so the particles, let's say, U second, and the primitive center, so import primitive attribute from the first index. Okay, I want to subtract everything, like this, and I need to make it match with the prim number, so like this. So now I want to add the result of the subtract to the position and connect to the position. So now, if I, for example, point jitter it, okay, and my primitive is going to follow my points. So this is what we want, and let's rename everything. So add PPS like this with a red color, and let's say move prim from particles. Okay, and let's set black. So it's done for the first setup, so let's make it more organized like this. Okay, and let's go to the second one.